Hi, I'm Nia, and I'm going to talk to you about the Hoonigan Library Check-in. This project was software for a public library. There was 2 iterations of it, a desktop app and an Android app. The main features of it were that you can check out an item, you can check in an item, and you can calculate due dates, fees with it. 2 main users, a librarian and a consumer. So I'll give you a basic premise of what both actors wanted. A librarian and the library cares about reading in data. The data would be in a JSON file or an XML file. It cares about saving the state of the library, what's checked out, what's not checked out. And the consumer only cares about checking out items and checking them in. So let's take a look at everything. Alright, the software's been booted up and we're going to log in as the librarian. And once we do that, we'll be in the librarian's view. There are many things we can do. You can load the state of the library. You can save the state of the library. Manually add an item. You can check in a book, check out a book. Let's try to check out a book. It turns out there's nothing in the database. We just booted it up. Nothing's in there. So let's put something in there. We could add a source file. What does that mean? Well, we could add this thing, an XML file. And if we did that, we could see that we're going to add a CD called Pink Floyd, The Wall from Pink Floyd. We could add a DVD, Into the Dragon. We could add a book from Shakespeare. Pretty cool. So we could actually load this entire XML file, and this data will be put into our library software. Or we could upload a JSON, same idea, just a different format. We could upload something by the Beatles, Yellow Submarine. We could upload the Count of Monte Cristo if we wanted to. And so we could do that. We could add a source file. Library ID is supposed to be a unique ID for each library. Let's load the JSON file. Why not? JSON file. Here. Alright, file was loaded. Let's try to check out a book now that something's in the system. Hey, here it is. Count of Monte Cristo, 4 Toy Stories, Yellow Submarine by the Beatles. We go into this JSON. This is what we loaded. Yellow Submarine, Count of Monte Cristo. Cool. Yellow Submarine, Count of Monte Cristo. And we won't check anything out. We just wanted to ensure that everything was loaded properly. And so now something is actually in the system. Let's log out and let's try to log in with a user account. We would have to actually register one. Let's do one really quick. Nia, I live at 12234 Fake Street. Security question. Who's the coolest dude? Nia, myself. Password will be cat. Read the terms and conditions. Ooh, we're not going to do that. We're just going to agree because that's what everyone does. Let's create the new account. I am Nia. Let's log in. Nia. Cat. Log in. Here I am. You can see that the view is much more truncated. Let's try to check out some items. Display all items. Hey, I want to check out Yellow Submarine. But before I do that, let's just make sure our search works. Yellow Submarine. We'll search by the title. Hey, there it is. Let's check it out. Yeah, you checked out Yellow Submarine. It's due on 8/9. That is 2 weeks from now. Okay, cool. And if I see my check-in item, it seems that I've checked out Yellow Submarine. Pretty cool. I can check it in. Yeah, you checked in the Yellow Submarine. And if we go back to our items, hey, here it is. It's available again. Awesome. So that's it. That's the main gist of it. Thanks for watching.